time to patch one of these small holes, get your sheetrock mud on there and you try to get it all smooth, packed in there. Obviously the trick is to get as much mud back off of the wall, then keep the hole full, but sometimes you get like these globby hills. Up after patching those sheetrock holes, you get the mud on there and you try to get it all smooth, but it's kind of rough. I'm going to show you two different ways to clean that up. First one, SOS pad. You just take this here, bam, nice and flat, smooth. Now, you may have noticed that made a lot of dust. That makes a lot of dust. You may not want dust. So I'm going to show you on this one how to do it if you want to clean up that sheetrock mud without creating dust. Real simply. Now you take a damp rag, not wet, just damp. Bam. Nice and cleaned up. But the hole's still plugged, nice and smooth. There you go.